So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to remove all of the drawings and indicators from the chart on TradingView. So first of all, open any web browser on your computer. You can choose Google Chrome and any other web browsers out there available in the market, and then click on search option and type tradingview.com. So guys, after coming on their website, choose products and then choose chart plus. So guys, as you can see, we have now come on our chart page, and you guys can see only a chart, but let's say we'll put a lot of indicators like this, and we also put some lines like this, and we'll also put some shapes like this. So how can we remove all of these from our chart at all once? So what you will do guys, you will see this option right here called remove objects. Now click on this, and then you guys can see this option on the bottom of the list which called remove 2 drawings and 3 indicators. Now click on this, and as you can see, all of the things from our chart has now been gone. So that's how you will remove all of the things from the chart at once. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more future videos. And thanks for watching.